April 2nd, 2018. We're looking at 7:10 p.m. Sun should be going down another 14 minutes or so, but yeah, look at that. This is full zoom. Look at that. That's terrible. Look what they're doing. There's another one. X marks the spot right there. Yeah, this is just going to be a quick update. I'm on the north side of the barn. What do you think, Buckaroo? Yeah, you're seeing the weird stuff too, I know. It's freaking you out. You guys have been talking weird all day. Yeah, I'm not getting the bangers of the lines because I've got the green chopper in the way. Alright, just an update. Showing y'all what's going on, full zoom over towards the west. Pretty much, it's almost directly west. Crazy what they're doing. Yeah. Alright, peace out.